Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not showing the home screen. First, let's cover some quick initial checks. Always begin by verifying your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for Roblox to load properly. Next, try completely closing and reopening the Roblox application. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve minor glitches. Finally, confirm your device meets Roblox's system requirements to ensure optimal performance. If the home screen still isn't appearing, clearing your application's cache and data is a vital next step. Accumulated temporary files can sometimes corrupt the display. On your computer, navigate to the App Data folder and remove any Roblox-related temporary files. For mobile devices, clear the app cache through your settings. If these steps don't work, a fresh reinstallation of Roblox can often fix deeper problems. Keeping your software up to date is essential for a smooth Roblox experience. Always ensure your Roblox application is running the very latest version. Additionally, check that your operating system and graphics drivers are current. Outdated drivers can cause display problems. If you're still facing difficulties, try running Roblox in compatibility mode for an older operating system, which can sometimes resolve unforeseen conflicts. For more advanced troubleshooting, consider temporarily disabling any third-party antivirus or firewall software, as these can sometimes block Roblox's connection. Another helpful step is to flush your DNS cache, which can refresh your network's connection to Roblox servers. If after trying all these solutions the home screen remains elusive, it's best to reach out to Roblox's official support team for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.